Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install Drift86 game for free via the Steam launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So open Steam, go to the store and in search the store search for Drift86 and then click on this Drift86 game. Scroll down and here you will see get Drift86 free to keep when you get it before 3rd June. So here you will see add to account. So click on add to account button and then click on click to install now button. And here you will see Drift86 and the file size is 8.36 GB. So click on install. Now go to library and here you can see that Drift86 game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following these steps, you can also download and install Drift86 for free via the Steam launcher until 3rd June 2026. And this is free to keep game. You can keep this game forever in your account. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.